Hi viewers, today we're looking at the LTRIM function, or the left trim function, which trims spaces to the left of a value. So we'll start by typing in select and then control space and bringing up the functions menu and paging down to LTRIM, which is left trim. And then within this we're going to enter a quote, apostrophe, and put in several spaces, and then type in test and close it with an apostrophe, semicolon, terminator at the end, and run that. And as you can see, it's trimmed all the spaces off the text. So if I copy the field with quotes and paste it down here, you can see that the space on the left has been trimmed out of the test value, and that's the LTRIM or left trim function in MySQL Workbench.